Hi guys, today I want to show you two of the most sought after error coins that all Australian coin collectors want to find or own. If you're lucky enough to find two of these coins, they can both be found in your spare change. You just need to know what you're looking for. Both these coins are valued in the hundreds or thousands of dollars depending on condition due to their rarity. To give you an understanding of their rarity, I personally have gone through over $500,000 in change to find four of these coins. Most people would say I'm pretty lucky, but it was certainly a lot of work. So what are these coins and what's so special about them? The first one is the 1966 20-cent coin, which is a fairly common coin, but what makes this coin special is the wavy baseline on the two. Now I'm not sure if you'll be able to pick up the error on the camera, so here is a close-up comparison image. So the coin on the right is a standard 20-cent coin, but the coin on the left is what you're looking for, and why I spent a heap of time looking through coins and noodling to find one of these beauties. The wave on the base of the two is very rare, and that's why it's called a wavy. If we take a look at the next image that shows the wave a little closer. So from my understanding, in 1966 this coin was minted in both London and Canberra, but it is only the London minted coin, and possibly from only one of the dies used at that time, that can be found with the wave. It's unknown how many of these were minted, but it's great to know that even though these coins have been in circulation since the changeover from pounds to decimal currency in 1966, these coins are still being found today. The second coin is the year 2000 $1 coin. This particular coin has an error that is referred to as the Mule. So why is it called the Mule? Well, basically it's like a mixture of two coins coming together. The Mob of Ruse side is correct as it should be, but the obverse of the Queen's Head side is where it gets interesting. Now if you look closely at the standard $1 coin, which is on the left, you will notice that that is as it should be, but the one on the right has a double ring around. Now this was caused by a mint worker using the die of the 10-cent coin, which is slightly smaller by mistake. So here's a photo just to show you a closer up comparison, where you can clearly see the difference in the two coins, with the Mule having the distinctive double rim and the Queen's Head is slightly smaller. It's unknown how many of these coins were mistakenly made, but it's possibly around 6,000 in total. Here's another example showing both sides of the Mule. So if we come back and you can see my three coins that are set up there. Now I've got the year 2000 10-cent piece in the middle there, and if you compare that to the Mule on the right hand side, you can see that the head size of the Queen would be the same size, and then if you compare that again back to the original year 2000 $1 coin, you can see it's slightly larger. So that 10-cent die would have been pressed into the planchet, and that's what caused the double rim, because the 10-cent piece is slightly smaller than the $1 coin. So guys, I hope you enjoyed looking at these two coins today, and keep looking, keep searching, keep noodling, have fun, and hopefully one of these guys will turn up in your hand in change soon. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.